Hello everyone, welcome back to LC Fitness. So guys, today we are going to talk about a very serious problem that near about 1/3 of Indian population is suffering from. Diabetes. And the reason for diabetes is just your bad nutrition and some poor choices in your food. That's all. Now, before starting with the video, let me explain you guys what is diabetes. So, whenever we eat any kind of food, our blood sugar level increases. So, our body secretes insulin hormone that is responsible to control the blood sugar level in our body. So, when a human body is not able to create insulin hormone, or when a human body stops responding to insulin hormone, that is the time when our blood sugar levels are elevated. Our body is not able to control its own blood sugar levels. So this is called diabetes. That person is called a diabetic patient. Now there are two types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. In type 1 your body is not able to create its insulin hormone on its own. So we'll not talk about it, it's a medical condition. And second is type 2 diabetes, in which your body is not responding to insulin hormone. So in today's video we'll be talking about some dietary solutions that can improve insulin sensitivity in your body. And before giving you any kind of dietary solutions, I want to clear out one very important myth that people have created in their heads. That is, diabetes is a genetic thing. If your parents have diabetes, then you'll get diabetes 100%. So guys, this is a completely false statement. It's not true. So if your parents have diabetes, then there are some extra chances that you will also be a diabetic patient. But everything depends on the choices that you make. So if you eat right, if you go for the good nutrition, I can guarantee you that you will never be a diabetic patient. You'll never get diabetes in your life. First, don't eat simple carbohydrates. Guys, don't eat simple carbohydrates like white rice, bread, Maggi, pasta, potato or roti. So these are very high on glycemic index. This means like whenever you eat white rice, it will get dissolved in your blood very quickly and it will rapidly increase your blood sugar levels. So in the absence of insulin, it is not a good thing for your body. But still, if you want to eat carbohydrates, then you can eat food that contains a rich amount of fiber in them. Like if you want to eat rice, you can go for brown rice. If you want to eat potatoes, you can go for sweet potatoes. If you want to fill yourself up, you can go for oats, or you can go for whole wheat things that contains a rich amount of fiber in them. Now fiber will help your body to increase the time of digestion. It will not elevate your blood sugar levels immediately. So you can make these simple changes to control the situation. This is not the best thing, but this will help you to control your blood sugar levels. Natural sugar will also elevate your blood sugar levels. So guys, people think that fruits, jaggery, honey, these are some natural things that they will not elevate your blood sugar levels. So guys, sugar is sugar for your body. Whether it's natural or refined, it will elevate your blood sugar levels. Some fruits like apple or guava, again they contain some amount of fiber, so you can eat them in some quantity, but you shouldn't be eating banana or mangoes or grapes. These will elevate your blood sugar levels. Honey will elevate your blood sugar levels, and jaggery will elevate your blood sugar levels. So don't think that these are natural sugars, they will not elevate your blood sugar levels. So stop eating these things. Third, add food that can increase insulin sensitivity in your body. Now, insulin sensitivity is the ability of your body to respond to insulin. So, eat food that increases your insulin sensitivity. Now, food like chia seeds, flax seeds, fish oil, these are some rich sources of omega-3. So, start eating them because omega-3 helps your body to increase its insulin sensitivity. Fourth thing, eat a good amount of proteins and dietary fats in your food. Now protein and dietary fats never spikes your insulin level up. Dietary fats again increase the insulin sensitivity in your body. Dietary fats will give you a sense of fullness in your body, and protein and dietary fats are required for your body to function properly. So try eating more of protein and dietary fats in your diet. Fifth, add some amount of workout to your daily schedule. A good workout will increase insulin sensitivity in your body. It will burn the extra amount of glucose present in your body and it will help you to regulate your blood sugar levels. So guys, follow these 5 steps and I can guarantee you one thing, that you will never be a diabetic patient in your life. So I hope you guys have understood what I was trying to explain. Share this video with all your friends and people, those who are suffering from diabetes, and please do like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.